Welcome to our channel, Grandma Indra's Recipes. Today I am going to show how to make ice cold coffee. I will show you what all are the ingredients. Milk, coffee powder, ice cubes, sugar, ice cream, some warm water. I will show you how to make an ice cold coffee. Take a cup and add 2 teaspoons of coffee powder. Add little warm water. And put the warm water in the cup. And stir it well. And add 2 tablespoons of sugar and stir it well. Milk. Now add ice cubes. Add vanilla ice cream. I will add a little bit of coffee powder and ice cream and mix it well. I will apply it in the top of the ice cold coffee. Looks so yummy. Please try this at home and send me a feedback. If you like my recipe, subscribe to our channel and like and comment below. Yummy! Thanks for watching and keep supporting us. We will see you in the next recipe soon.
Bye.
Bye.